Hi guys, in this 1 minute video I am going to explain you Verilog coding in gate level module. Let us start. In Verilog, HDL programming starts with module and ends with end module. In middle you have to declare input, outputs and functionality. Now let us take one example that is nothing but half adder. Now I repeat, the program starts with module and ends with end module. Now here the name of this circuit I am giving as H8, which is nothing but half adder, and I am defining the variables what half adder, sum, carry and a b in brackets ends with semicolon. And I also mentioning that the variables a and b are inputs and s and c are outputs. And finally, now the final step is functionality. In this functionality, here this is the XOR gate, so XOR, and the label is F1 and output is S and inputs are AB. Same way for AND gate. AND is the keyboard and F2 is the label and C, A, comma B. Then that's it. That's it, your first program in a minute.